Hey guys, welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we will be talking about another one of the popular network automation libraries called Netmiko. Netmiko is a Python library which is built on top of Paramiko. It simplifies network automation by providing a high-level multi-vendor interface for interacting with network devices. Since it is related to Paramiko, it inherits all the features of Paramiko in the sense that it also provides SSH-based connectivity, remote command execution, and multiple authentication methods. In addition to these, it can also use Jinja 2 templates for configuration management. The basic order of operations follows the process given on the screen. The process begins by importing the Connect Handler class and the subsequent creation of its instance. That instance is then used to call different functions like send command to send commands to the remote device. Now let's review that with a practical example. As we discussed earlier, we start off by first importing the Connect Handler class from the Netmiko library. Then we set up a Python dictionary named cisco_router to create connection parameters for the router. It includes the device type, IP address, username, password, and SSH port information. Then we establish an SSH connection to the Cisco router using the parameters provided in the dictionary. This star star syntax is used to unpack the dictionary and pass its key value pairs as arguments to the connect handler class. Then we use the send underscore command method of the SSH connection instance to send the show IP interface command to the router and stores the output in the variable get IP. Finally, we print the output on the console. Now let's run this code and see what we get as a result. As you can see, the script successfully logged into the router and captured the interface details. One more thing I want to clear regarding this dictionary syntax is that you do not necessarily need to configure it this way. If you want, you can simply provide the connection parameters as simple arguments like this. This configuration and the one given above in the form of a dictionary are achieving the same objective. In fact, let's run the code again and see what happens. As you can see, it resulted in the same output. So it's entirely up to you how you want to configure the code. I hope you found this example useful in understanding how Netmiko can be used to perform different operations remotely without logging into network devices locally. In this example, we used only one device because that's what we have in the lab. But you can easily perform this action on hundreds of devices in one go. We will go through all of that during the practical sessions. So with that, I thank you for joining me in this journey, and I hope you find the rest of the course useful as well.